Like a popsicle. For the judge, they tryna charge us like a Dodge nigga. Catch a play, fuck around and cost a diamond. Real street nigga, yeah, we keep it right side. Plug dick, caught it touchdown, perfect timing. Nigga got it, cleaning money up, they know they watchin'. Finesse,
YouTube, it's your girl Derry, and I heard something, but it's your girl Derry, and I'm about to do my first video. It's the video y'all been wanting me to do, the weird food cravings, the pregnancy cravings. So I got some milk, some ketchup, some peanut butter. Oh, it's my video. Some blueberries, sour cream, cinnamon. You see the cinnamon roll, some potato chips. Did I say blueberries? If y'all didn't, some blueberries and some bread. I'm gonna do the first one. Get it out the way. They said, gotta record this. Potato chips and milk. This chips and milk. Okay. So I got my bowl, of course. Pray for me, because it's about to be nasty. I'm gonna get a little bit, like a little bit. See my chips? I can eat this by itself. I'm gonna see if I make the same. Oh, I made it. Okay. As you can see, okay. Got a spoonful. I mean, you know. It's not that bad. It's like, okay. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay. It wasn't that bad at all. It wasn't good, but it wasn't bad. Next, I have cinnamon roll and sour cream. Gotta warm it up. Be right back, y'all. And I'm back. Ooh. So I got cinnamon roll and sour cream. I had to go buy this. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna put it on top. I mean, I actually love sour cream. Oh shoot, it's spilled. But I don't think it's gonna go right. Honestly, I'm so nervous, so I don't want to throw up. Oh my gosh. What am I getting myself into? Alright, y'all. It's time for the 10. I'm scared. I'm scared. That ain't good. I don't know what y'all be craving, but that's disgusting. It's like sour mixed with sweet. And sweet and sour don't go together, other than the sauce. Next. Okay. Shoot. Peanut butter and blueberry sandwich. Yeah, that sounds nasty too, y'all, but I'm doing this for y'all. It's my first ever video. And I'm using the good bread too. But I'm gonna be mad when she see this using all her stuff. Okay. Blueberries. And I need a knife. Peanut butter. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. And my blueberries gonna be on top. I don't even know how this gonna taste. It might be good. As you can see. Okay. Taste this. This is not bad. It's kind of good. Maybe I'm just hungry. That is not. Good. Oh, good. Okay. Next one. Where'd it go? Oh, okay. I believe this is the last one. Is it? Yes, guys, this is the last one. I'm sorry. I only did 4. I believe 4. 4, I think. I need to tell y'all. Cookies and ketchup. I don't even like cookies like that. I'm gonna just get a little half cookie or something. Cause I hate cookies. I hate sweets. That's my stuffed animal I sleep with every night. Saul's a little baby. Okay, well, keep Burger in the fire. What is this, Game of Thrones? You guys are lighting cookies and ketchup. I'm not gonna like this. I know for a fact I'm not gonna like this. Go for what you need, not what you want. Oh, I get it. Tonight, my perfect match is Anthony. Ugh. Heck no. So guys, I'm done with this video. I still got that ketchup taste in my mouth. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all need to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me, put in the comments I'm about to say which video. What other videos do you want me to do? Because I'm gonna be consistent. I'm gonna start being consistent. But what I want you to do is follow me on Instagram and like some pictures. They gotta focus. Is it focusing? It's not even focusing. At amore.dairy. But yes, okay. Until next time.